It only takes one incident to break apart all that you've established, while there are several ways to lose your parrot's trust. First, let me state the obvious: if you hit your bird, not only do you run the risk of injuring him, but violence attracts violence. Remember that he is born equipped with weaponry on his face, and he's not afraid to use it. Secondly, it is a huge breach of trust when you assault someone and it carries the message that if you don't see things my way I will harm you. Punishing a bird is pointless, because the message is never clear to him. It is almost always the case that by the time you figured out what the punishment will be and administered it, the bird no longer will relate it to the crime. From the bird's perspective, you are just being mean. Applying force to your parrot is counterproductive. Sure, you may get what you want at that moment, but the long-term loss of trust is not worth it. We have all had times when we have had to whisk our birds away from a dangerous situation, like just when the beak is about to close down on the electrical cord. I am not referring to these situations. Somehow our parrots are able to discern that we are not doing this out of anger or frustration, but out of concern for their well-being. We might get bitten, but it is out of their shock at the abruptness of our behavior rather than anger. These transgressions, if handled correctly, seem to be forgiven. Something that we often forget is that parrots understand what we are saying. They may not repeat the words back to us, or they may only understand vaguely from our tone of voice, but they understand.
A parrot never forgets.